From the wild breath of nature to the precise touch of human hands, every creation begins with transformation.
Every masterpiece begins somewhere untouched, deep within nature's silent rhythm. Here, precision begins long before the tools, in the patience of those who seek.
With steady hands, the raw material of art is gathered.
From the forest's calm to the hum of creation, the journey begins.
Here, nature enters the world of precision and craft. Every surface is prepared, every step measured. The ritual of transformation begins. The textures of nature, soon to become symbols of refinement.
Water purifies, washing away the past, revealing what lies beneath.
Time and air shape texture, preparing it for what's to come.
No two patterns are the same dwelling. Nature's fingerprint remains.
Uniformity, the bridge between nature's chaos and human design. In these silent barrels, the raw becomes refined.
Patience gives strength. Drying shapes durability. To touch luxury, it must first learn softness.
Color gives emotion. Elegance lies in every tone. Design respects nature's lines, Germot, never to hide them, only to enhance.
This is where art meets accuracy. One cut defines an entire creation.
Each fragment now carries purpose pattern, a small promise of form.
Tools of patience, waiting to bind craft and beauty together.
Elegance in miniature kind. Simplicity shaped through precision.
A single mistake can shift the balanced rail. Perfection demands focus.
Where motion is born Drakenien, every journey begins here.
In the line of a belt, discipline meets design.
Reflection the color, the final proof of mastery.
Every imprint is more than a logo, Tatket. It's a legacy.
Perfection lives in the smallest details.
Luxury begins long before it's seen. From scales to style, attire, the journey of transformation is complete.
In every piece, a trace of nature pallor and the devotion of human hands.
Behind every creation, a world of unseen hands, crafting elegance, one scale at a time.